Hi, my name is Deepak Murali and I'm studying ninth grade. So I've been doing Python coding for a year almost. And what I've learned from it is I've learned it's very useful and you can build lots of interesting applications with it. And I'm currently learning Python with Robotronic STEM Lab. So yeah, I'd encourage a lot of people to start learning Python if they have not already. And yeah, it's very useful towards the future. Thank you.
And I made this Python program called, it's a game called Deck of Cards. So basically, some background knowledge that you should know that there are 52 cards in one deck, and each deck has its own suits and its own faces. So right here, we can see that the suits are in order from highest presidents to lowest presidents. So this is the spades and this is the clover. And the faces, they're in order from lowest to highest presidents. So two is actually the lowest face, and ace will be the highest face. So now let's get into our code, our program. The first step that we did is we're importing random, we're importing choice from random. Basically, we'll use this later on in our code, and you'll see why. And we put the suits and faces in a list from in order from lowest to highest precedence, as you can see here. And these are the two functions that we have in our code. The get winner function, this function will decide which of the cards are higher in precedence, and will help us get our winner. And in the main function, it will be responsible for calling all of our other functions, like the get winner function, and it will display the necessary text. This is our main function. Oh, sorry. So yeah, this is our main function. At the start, we're looping our code so that it keeps running and the player can play the game as long as they want to. And right here, we're getting the suits and the faces for both of the players using the choice function. And right here, the choice is we're setting our list, the faces list as our parameter. So it chooses from the list. And we're doing that for player two as well. And basically, we put the face, the suit for both players through the get winner function, and it will return the winner. And we ask the user if they want to keep going or they want to stop. So now this is the get winner function. Uh, right here, we're using the player one face, player one suit, and player two face, player two suit as our parameter. And we're getting the index number for the face using the index function, and we're storing it in a new variable. So, and then we're doing that for the suits as well. Right here, we compare the face index because that comes first, and we decide who wins. But if we have a tie, then it will go into the else block, and we compare the suit index to decide the winner there.